day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Michelle Ray M. Tadeo. I am 30 years old, married, with 2 children, age of 10 years old son and 4 years old daughter. I live at San Francisco, Hawaiian City, Isabela. I have two sisters. I am the second child of the family. I am a college graduate. I took Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Here in the Philippines, I worked as a helper for 2 years. I served 1 couple and one child, age of 10 years old. My responsibility is to taking care of child, cleaning the house, ironing, cooking, and also I work at Singapore as a tourist domestic helper for 5 months. My responsibility is to cleaning the house, cooking, ironing, and car washing.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always securing the safety of the baby, and if the baby is sick, I will check the temperature, and if the baby is sick, I will call the employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible.
Do you have any tattoo?
None, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to provide I want to work abroad to provide all the needs of my family, especially for my children.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband and my mother-in-law.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
If I am homesick, I will focus to my work and remind myself that I need this job.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep around 10 a.m. after my work is done and wake up around 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I'll be patient and calmer for dealing with them, sir.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. If I extend if needed.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round through the...
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir. Hope to select me as you're a helper. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person. If you choose me, I will do my best to serve your family. Thank you.
Nak